So the new star of Jamaican sprinting and the fastest man in the world this season, Kishane Thompson, makes his debut on sports commentary this evening. Typical MVP story, an average champs athlete from a non-traditional school, some very hard work and dedication, and a few years later, we're looking at the 100-meter world leader and potential Olympic champion. The question is though, how fast can he go? So much raw and explosive power and confidence and hunger. 3 races, 3 sub-10 clockings, culminating in 9.77, easing up with the field running breathless to keep up with him. It is actually scary to think that at 22 years old, when he learns how to conserve his energy in the rounds, then explode to his full potential in the final, it is scary to think what is possible. We're looking forward to Paris. Kishane, remember that name? Kishane in Paris. He's gonna cause some pain.